Immerse yourself in the world of exemption, a term often heard yet scarcely understood. Exemption, pronounced as exemption, is an immunity, a privilege. It's like a golden ticket, freeing you from an obligation or a liability. Think of it as a special dispensation, an exception to the rule. A tax exemption, for instance, is like a magic wand that makes your tax liability disappear. But remember, with exemptions come certain qualifications. Like vehicles that qualify for tax exemption, they tend to sell out faster. Exemption, an intriguing concept, isn't it? A blend of freedom, privilege, and responsibility. So the next time you hear exemption, you'll know exactly what it means. Immunity, freedom, privilege, exemption.
Welcome to a swift journey of understanding peak, an adjective with a towering meaning. It's like standing on the summit of a mountain, gazing at the vast landscape. That's peak. It signifies the maximum, the utmost, the zenith. Just as an athlete pushes to their peak performance, so too can we strive for our personal peaks in life. Imagine a canal, once derelict, now restored to its peak condition, flowing with life and vibrancy. But remember, peak isn't just about reaching the top. It's about the climb, the journey, the endeavor to reach that maximal point. We all have our own peaks to conquer. So set your sights high, aim for your peak, because the view from the top is worth it. Until our next word exploration, keep climbing. In a world where balance is key, the act of discharge plays a vital role. Picture this: industrial plants, powerhouses of production, yet they also discharge highly toxic materials into rivers. An unfortunate reality of our modern world, yet discharge is not always negative. Consider a volcano, discharging molten lava, a destructive force, yes, but also a creator of new land and ecosystems. Or think about the human body, which continually discharges waste to keep us healthy and functioning. It's a process of release, of letting go, that allows for renewal and growth. So, whether in nature or industry, discharge, in its many forms, is a crucial part of our world cycle. Remember, balance is the key, and discharge plays a vital role in maintaining. Imagine a world where everyone greets you with a warm smile, a gentle nod, and open heart. That's the power of amiability, my friends. It's the friendliness that disarms, the warmth that invites, and the affability that turns strangers into friends. Take a moment to reflect. Remember that person who captured your attention with their good-natured amiability, their charm, their openness, their willingness to engage. That's the magic of amiability. But remember, every coin has two sides. The opposite of amiability, unfriendliness. It repels, it isolates, it builds walls. So let's choose amiability. Let's choose warmth, affability, and friendliness. This is your reminder to sprinkle some amiability in your day. After all, it's the secret ingredient to a happier, friendlier world. Ever found yourself pondering the meaning of the term "ow"? In the world of finance and transactions, "owe" is often a word that can send chills down one's spine. It's a verb originating from Hindi, and its basic definition is to be in debt or to be indebted. Imagine you've borrowed some money from a friend for a movie ticket. Until you pay them back, you owe them. In a more formal context, if you've taken a loan from a bank, you owe the bank until you've settled your dues. But remember, owing isn't always about money. You can owe someone a favor or even a heartfelt thank you. So next time you owe, whether it's money or gratitude, make sure to settle up, because nothing feels better than clearing your dues. And that, my friends, is the essence of OW. Welcome to a brisk minute of wisdom. Today, we delve into the vibrant world of the term dynamic, a word that's as energetic as a sprinter on the track, as spirited as a cheerleader at the final game. Dynamic is the spark in the eye of a young advertising executive, brimming with ideas, ready to change the world. It's the pulse of active participation, the heartbeat of enthusiasm. It's the fuel that drives the engine of progress. But remember, the opposite of dynamic isn't just stillness. It's half-hearted attempts, lackluster efforts, and unenthusiastic actions. So be dynamic. Embrace the energy, the spirit, the activity. Make each moment count. And that's a wrap for this minute of... Ever wondered why your favorite sports team didn't win that crucial match? It could be down to a flawed strategy. Yes, you heard it right. a strategy that's unsound, defective, or faulty. Imagine a football team playing without a proper formation or a cricket side without a balanced squad. A recipe for disaster, right? But fear not, even the greatest have stumbled due to flawed strategies. Remember, it's not about the fall, but about rising stronger. The beauty of sports lies in learning, adapting, and overcoming these flaws. So, the next time your team falters, think about the flawed strategy and remember, there's always a chance for a comeback. After all, in sports, it's never over until the whistle blows. Tune in for more such insights only on our channel.